Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We'll get started in a few minutes. What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Let's see what's going on. I'm going to go through YouTube as normal, and then I'll go through the rest with you guys after. What up, what up, what up, what up? We'll get started in a few minutes. Okay, let me go through some Twitter stuff, and then we'll have a look. CTX. SINT, I checked SINT. SINT is just in a steady uptrend, guys. It's very simple, this trade, like that. But for me, I would personally wait for resistance. 0.15 is what I would wait for. I personally would wait for like around, what is this? 0.15, it's a psychological level, so that's why I would prefer to use that as possible entries. So SINT personally would wait for 0.15. So SINT, wait for 0.150, break above. Because it's just a psychological level, guys. It's very simple. If stocks break above psychological level, like a support resistance, there is a much higher probability of go up. Trying to buy on this support right now with these strong bearish candles is difficult. Hollow, I have Hollow on watch. Buru's gone through. GWAV, yes, we have the GWAV on watch. Alright, cool. SNDL, guys, they're all going to follow these GameStop. I personally think that game's going to run. If you didn't take profits when it ran the other day, that's your own fault. You're going to learn the hard way, because that was absolutely stupid if you didn't take profits. That thing ran absolute madness those couple days, and if you got greedy, yeah, that's your own fault. So hopefully next time when it does go up, or hopefully it does go up, make sure you take profits so you're not stuck again, because no need to be gambling. All good things will come to an end, and it came a lot shorter than everyone expected. I thought it was going to keep going all week, but it was very, very weak, unfortunately. So this one here, this SNDL, will follow meme plays. So meme plays, game, SND, AMC, all of those plays. They will just follow. Radio, good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. What's up? NVAX. So NVAX broke out of here. We are now updating the level. So this is a high here. We can see this is a resistance. So $15 is a resistance. Therefore, these small candles here is a lack of volume, but obviously you can see it is bearish because it's in a strong uptrend right now. But personally, I would just wait for $15. So $15 break, then you can push. I don't think there is that much levels after this. Daily levels, 15. Let me see here, $15, then you have around here. 18, then you have room all the way here. These are daily levels, but I will still mark this for you like that. So at the moment, you need $15 to break, and then you have room to this level here, 1880. 1880. So hopefully it breaks up, but yeah, at the moment, nothing yet. It ran 11% yesterday, but the market's running. Everything's kind of running. So NVAX needs $15. NVAX needs $15. Radio, morning. AGBA looks terrible. Bearish. The only thing I would say is, a good thing is that maybe it's in a demand zone here. A lot of selling. They are in control. Personally, I would wait for it to at least push back up to 250. But yeah, right now AGBA is in demand zone. So it's just chilling. Kraken, FFIE, guys, they all follow together. Write this down, screenshot it, whatever you need to do. Put this on your notes. Kraken, GWAV, AKAN, and FFIE, they all run together, right? That is it. So this is just in demand zone right now, Kraken. It's in demand zone. Yes, I do expect it to run today. It's just chilling in demand zone. There's no trend at the moment. It's literally just consolidating here. at the moment. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. BCAN is looking very weak at the moment. I personally don't like it. I would personally wait for this. I would trade this maybe market open, because trying to enter now is not worth it. It is a much higher risk trying to enter now because there's a lack of volume. It's coming in a strong downtrend right now. So yeah, my personal opinion is, I don't know. There's going to probably be 2 or 3 runners today. Okay. Like I mentioned, FFIE, Kraken, GWAV, AKAN, they all run together. Also, there's Buru as well. But these will probably run today. Remember, if the market starts pulling back, everything will come together and they will follow one or two plays. And then from there, markets, everyone will just jump into those runners, because what will happen is it's Friday, the market is usually slower and people take profits. The market's been absolutely insane this week. So people are going to take profits. It's going to push down. It will. So right now, BCAN is bearish. I personally wouldn't be looking for any entries on this, unfortunately. Hollow is right here. Hollow, I'm expecting a breakout. It's in a falling wedge. And DUO is in a falling wedge as well, expecting a breakout on this. Kraken. Peggy is right here. Peggy, for me, nothing unless it breaks above 0.195. This one here. This resistance level here. 0.1915. If it breaks above, higher probability it will continue to go up. Trying to buy now is an extremely high risk trade, because it goes up and then comes down. Goes to the level, down, level, down, level, down, level, down. Wait for the break above. If it doesn't break above, don't enter. You have to have patience. Otherwise, you're just going to be gambling every time. Guys, I set up that someone, I'm not too sure. I set up this thing. Super chat or whatever. Someone asked me to do it. So I think it's active. I don't know how it works or anything. So yeah, it's there if anyone wants to know how to, if anyone knows how to use it. Peggy, Kraken. Kraken, yeah. Peggy, BCAN, Peggy, Kraken. GWAV. This is another nice setup. I like it. This is on the 5 minute. We can see what's happening, right? We identify here is the last red candle for the move up. So we can just use the zone like that. That is your demand zone. So right now we are in a demand zone. It's pushed off that demand zone. Tapped into once, twice into that demand zone. Therefore, it is high probability to go up, since we are also, right? We are also in a bullish pendant. So there's 2 confluences there now. But also, if you notice, inside of this, we have found an area of support. So here is an area of support. Hopefully, if it holds this level, then it'll push up. In my opinion, is above VWAP. If it reclaims this VWAP, which is this green line, if it goes above this green line and closes above, higher probability it'll break out. This chart should break out according to technicals. So yes, if you want to enter, you can go ahead and try. Personally, I am not trading now until market open. So GWAV, expecting breakout. I cannot believe FFIE. It's absolutely insane this week. Everyone's going, I had it at this price. I had it at 20 cents, 30 cents. Who cares? Who cares? No one is still in it. If you're still in it from there, then you would be in the Bahamas. Peggy is right here. Yeah, Peggy, I just went over that one. VHAI. VHAI is heading to this resistance level here. Breaks above this, you have room to 0.34, which is a nice move. Like a 40% move. So this looks, it is very bullish at the moment. Look, we're simply looking within the 5 minute chart. We are in an uptrend. However, we can see it's starting to reject here due to resistance. That's all. So if it closes above this level, then there's a high probability it'll continue to go up. VHAI update. ASTS, that was a play for me yesterday. I gave this as a trade. This is a bull flag. So a bull flag is, it's not the cleanest bull flag, but a bull flag is simply just a bullish chart pattern, continuation pattern. So you expect price to do this and then bang up. So we'll see what this one does do. But in my opinion, I would simply just make it very easy and focus on the movers today, because there's going to be a lot of them, but focus on 1 or 2 plays. FFI, Kraken, all of those are probably going to run, but you cannot get in all of them. Focus on 1 or 2. We have another Hassie in here. We have a Hassie. What is the resistance for Peggy? For Peggy. Let me have a look. I'll show you now, bro. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. We have Peggy. Is the resistance level is here. So your resistance level is here, 0.1915 here. And then let me look left and find some other levels. Next 4-hour resistance is here. So this is your next resistance level. So what this means is if it breaks above here, there is a high probability it will continue to go up. But that does not mean buy the stock now because it will go there. That's exactly the incorrect answer to do. What you need to do is, if the candle closes above this level, there is a high probability to continue to go up. Yes, if you try to enter now, there is a probability to go up, but there is a much lower probability to go up here than trying to wait for confirmation. Confirmation is king. Confirmation is king. So these are your levels. Here's your Peggy levels. Peggy is Peggy. So here's your Peggy levels. Keep this on watch though. Looks good. FLJ, yeah, I saw FLJ ran. I don't know what's it doing now. Is it still up? FLJ. FLJ, crazy candle wicks. I would say right now it's just consolidating to make it easy for yourself. You can use this whole range like that. So here, what's happening is that the stock is trading in a range, meaning it's going up and down, up and down, up and down. The way to trade this is a very easy way. It's probably the easiest way to trade a stock that's in a range. If it breaks above this range, you can enter the trade. If it doesn't, then you do not enter the trade. You have to wait for 1.28. If it breaks above 1.28, there is a higher probability to go up. If you're trying to enter now, you are in a gambling zone. But yes, it has a lot of range to the upside. You have a lot of range. This is your FLJ chart. FLJ. Right, let me have a look. CEI, that's a good one actually. GW, how high do I think GWAV will go? Let me just give me 1 second. Let me get my crystal ball. Let me quickly find my crystal ball, and then when I get it, I will let you know. All right, so according to my crystal ball, this is going to $500 today. So that means 20 cents is going to go to $500. That's according to my crystal ball. Brother, I don't know what price it will go to. I really do not know. These are your resistance levels. So focus on this. Focus on short-term levels. And then you will be an extremely good trader. If you're going to be trying to buy a stock at 20 cents and hope it's going to run to $20, you'll be stuck in it for a long, long time. So focus on the short-term levels. Here we go. So that means if this breaks out of this pattern, you are going to 2.2235. If you break above this, your next resistance level is 2439 and then 2655. So these are your next levels, right? Trust me, if I knew which stock it would go to, I will tell everybody in this world what stock it will go to so we could all be rich. But unfortunately, I have no idea, you know? Exactly, the crystal ball. Guys, like up the stream. Like up the stream. Also, subscribe if you haven't. We are posting a lot of YouTube content coming in soon. Coming soon. CEI. Yeah, CEI is... Some people are talking about it. Is it running? Let me check something real quick. I'll tell you why CEI is running. Someone is pumping it. I guarantee it. Yeah, someone's tagging me in it. Yeah, CEI is getting pumped. Pumped. I just think because it was pretty much a dead stock. And now it's just getting up, pushing up. But, I mean, look, this is what was happening, right? It was consolidating like this. And then it broke out. But here are your key levels for CEI. CEI. So right here, then you have this next level. And then around here. Here. There you go. So these are your key levels on CEI. 21 cents. Maybe this might be the mover today. Maybe people will jump in this thing. So CEI, here's your key levels. So I just posted on Twitter. You guys can have a look at that. You the king. You the king, bro. You the king. You the king. Why is Beacon dropping? Mohammed, let me get my crystal ball out. It says because Muhammad wants it to go up, so it said it'll go down. That was the answer. Bro, I don't know why it's going down. If a stock is going down, it means that sellers are pushing the price down because they want to take profits or they're just selling. As long as it holds $1, you are fine. Right now, according to the 5-minute chart, it is bearish. However, there might be a possible downtrend break at around 135. If that happens, then maybe you could look for entries. Buru, Buru, Buru. Everyone's banging on about Buru. Buru is right here. Here is the mighty Buru. This is an ultra pumper stock. This is extreme risk. This. Everyone will be trying to jump into this thing. 0.45. Here are your levels for the mighty Buru. I'll give you one more level. What's this level here? 0.525. Here are your levels for the mighty Buru. This is a 4-hour chart, so you can just see it. So Buru key levels. So you can save this as well. And then obviously if you go in the 5-minute, you can identify 4 entries. So 5-minute chart right now, it is finding an area of support around here. Where's VWAP? Yeah, I mean it bounced off VWAP. We'll see what it does do. But yeah, it's 32 cents, so we'll see what it does do at open. Little Foxo. Right now, Foxo is a very low volume. Nothing on Foxo, unfortunately. Yeah, Foxo has nothing at the moment. I would be avoiding it for now. I don't really know. Yeah, nothing on this yet. So what I would do is I would simply just focus on another trade setup or something. That is what I would do. Foxo. Buru, I've gone over Buru. SLNA. Let me have a look at the mighty SLNA. SLNA is here. Someone in the Discord also mentioned this one. I saw it was running this week, but these are your levels here. So it's broken above here. Now the high probability will continue to push up to 0.225. 0.225. So this is your next level on SLNA. So SLNA. Room to 0.225. That is the next level on this. Oh, and CO. CXO, what do you think 4 hour? I'll have a look now, bro. Onco is up 47%. This yellow line means something. Yeah, this is a resistance, I think. What's this daily looking like? Yeah, 4 hour. There's a big resistance here at this level. So right here, left, this level here, whatever this is. 0.223. This is your major resistance. Because look, every time we get around this level, we've rejected. Look, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. And now it looks like the 7th time. I know it's up 50%, but according to the technicals, it is still currently bearish on a larger time frame. Well, no, it's bullish on a larger time frame, but it's heading to a resistance. So Onco, major resistance at 0.2230. So if it breaks above that, then there's a high probability it'll go up. CXAI, let me have a look at this one. CXAI. Right, CXAI. Let's see. So according to the 4 hour, I would ignore all this because we can just focus more on the shorter term 4 hour. But to make it easy for you, I would get from here to here. We can go through this wick. It's not the biggest deal, but just to identify the trend. Let me see if there's a falling wedge falling up. Yeah, maybe a possible falling wedge setting up. Obviously, you do need some volume on this play for it to respect these technicals. Yeah, no, nothing on that. Yeah, this is all you have. Maybe possible falling wedge on CXAI. So CXAI possible falling wedge. Let me go through these other plays. Brew is my all-time best P&L. That's held I think 6 months one time and had 7,000 shares. Dude, wow. Congrats, bro. That's a nice little return. Right, let's see what's happening with these movers now. Here we go. Duo's moving as expected. FFIE moved as expected. Hollow moving as expected. Kraken moving as expected. I think Kraken's going to be nice today. How good was this play yesterday? How many of you guys made money off that chart I posted? It was insane. I literally posted like 2 hours before the movement happened. This looks very good though. Kraken looks very bullish. Very bullish. Very, very bullish. Very bullish. Oh yeah, guys, members who just, or those who just joined the Discord now, the new members, I'm assuming you guys are from Discord. Sorry, from YouTube. Please look at your DMs. I've sent you a starter package and then just go through that. There's some videos and stuff to watch and then, yeah, have a look through that. Let me go through some more plays here. GWAV is moving up. Akin it's okay. I'm not really too bothered about this play. There's too many, so I'm kind of just trying to focus more on the ones that are clear to me. Buru, obviously this one is bullish. We have support right here. Peggy's looking alright. CYN following this trend very well. KXIN very nice off this demand zone. So you notice this, right? Logically thinking, this is very strong because strong area of demand because what's happening, look here, right? People are holding this area of support. Demand zone support, same thing, but this is where buyers step in. Higher probability the price will push up. So anywhere buying in here was a good idea because this is the last red candle for the move up. Therefore, buying in this level is a good place to buy. Safe to buy on this level. So KXIN reversing well. Reversing very, very well. What else is there? BRSH. This one is trying to reverse a little bit. Here's the 5 minutes so we can identify here's an area of support. Let's say around 0.2, which is a nice psychological level actually. So we'll put this in just a blue like that. Now we can identify what's going on. We can identify that this is a high here, right? A resistance level around here. And we can also identify this as psychological level. Then from here, we can draw the trend line like this. So that means that it is bearish to just simply look at the trend. If it breaks above, then it's higher probability it will continue to go up. So right now, yes, it is reversing, all good and well. But for me personally, I would just I'm going to wait for this break above or ideally above 0.24. Duo is looking good. Let me see. FFIE is looking very good. Hollow. Someone said GWAV. GWAV is right here. Yeah, GWAV I expect to break out. So I will write this down. Copy this. Everyone copy this down. Actually, I will just put it on Twitter. Everyone go and like this tweet. Duo FFIE. Kraken GWAV. Akin. There's another one missing. GWAV. I'm trying to get all these plays so I can tell you guys which all run together. Is this one following? Where is it? BRSH is another one somewhere. BRSH and Buru. BRSH and Buru. All follow each other. Sympathies. Right, there's there. You can copy that. Save that, whatever you need to do. They all run together. What is the Discord? Discord is here, bro. So Discord is very simple. The Discord, I give alerts, entries, and stop loss. Myself and Hassie are in that together. We do live trading every day, live alerts, and then live seminars and those kind of things. So if you want to join, you can feel free to join. If there are spots left, feel free to join. What are you going to see? BRSH. Yeah, I think I just went over BRSH, right? Yeah, BRSH is right here. Looks good. Looks good. What are you using to see charts? I'm using Weeble, bro. Here, look, top left. Weeble desktop app. And then I just use this to refresh the top gainers every morning. I literally just use the Weeble top gainers here. Refresh it every like 10, 20 minutes. What do you think of VHAI? VHAI I've posted about 20 times, but I'm assuming you guys are new and joining every time. But VHAI, I've just done it. Wow, there goes BRSH. Here is VHAI. Please save this, screenshot it, stick it on your forehead, whatever you need to do. If it breaks above 0.2429, there is a high probability it will continue to go up. Trying to buy into resistance now is a difficult entry because every time it gets to resistance, it rejects. Therefore, if it closes above resistance, it will then become support. Once it becomes support, there is a high probability it will continue to push up. Already posted. Yeah. FFIE, go, 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 go. Hollow, what's happening with Hollow? The mighty Hollow. I don't know, Hollow's a little strange one. I traded this yesterday, I think, but we'll see. Kraken, I'm expecting this to break out. It's a very, very clean setup. GWAV is looking fantastic. What else is there? AKAN. AKAN is just at support, so nothing on this to be honest. BRSH, very strong move. Buru. I don't know. I think Buru will run. Let me just clean this chart up for you guys so you can see it easily. So Buru, here's a support level here. Literally a nice psychological level, 0.3. Literally one touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strong area of support. Also above VWAP. If you want to take entries, I would take entries here. This looks an extremely good entry point. There is a high probability that this will go up and then go down. This is on Buru, B-U-R-U. And Peggy, yeah, Peggy's just coming down. Does options expiration have anything to do with these runners? Not that I know of, bro. I think that most of them are low, high short float percentages, or some of them are 52-week lows. They're all like meme stocks. They're all kind of just past runners. In my opinion, they are just all getting run. They're all getting run. Like all the sub $1 players are pretty much running. So something that hasn't run would maybe be a good idea to enter. But yeah, I mean, if you're trying to day trade, it's the easiest thing to do. I would say is simply just focus on the runners, like Kraken, GWAV. Kraken, GWAV, and FFIE are the easiest plays to trade. They are the ones that are probably going to do the best. But I'm not too sure about the extra. It might do. I don't think so. I mean, you remember anyone looking to join? Appreciate that, Coastal, bro. No problem. Yeah, I mean, there's you guys know. I mean, you know. We're disciplined. We don't do any of the BS pumping and dumping. All we trade is technicals. We base our trades off technicals, not of this bullshit where, oh, I think a price will go up. No one can tell you what price a stock will go to. But the market has been very good in this sense because when we have a strong volume, there goes GWAV. What a miracle. Who grabbed GWAV? Well done if you got in GWAV. There's free money for everybody. Money, money, money. Woohoo. I even said it 20 minutes ago. Woohoo. Sadly, I'm not in because I'm doing this, but woohoo, woohoo. Well done, guys. Well done, well done, well done. Game, yeah, let me look at game. Give me a sec. Kraken, let's see. Hey, look, Kraken's moving as well. Remember what I said. Kraken and GWAV will run together. Let's go, Coastal. 5%, up 5%, take some profits. And then, same. Peggy or Sin? Are you asking me which one's better? I don't know which one's better. Game, I don't know. I think game's gonna run. In my opinion, I think game's gonna run. Good news is bad news in this market. So looking at this chart, it is technically perfect for a breakout to the upside. Whether the offering was good or bad, it doesn't matter. Look at this chart. If you simply go onto Google right now and type in what is a falling wedge, this is a split image of a falling wedge. We have price going up and down, up and down, up and down. Now we should break out. Let's see. Right? And look, the same thing with AMC. All of them are pretty much the same kind of setups. But yeah, you should have been taking profits. Take profits, take profits. Duo, I don't know about that one. Or interested. Hollow. It's not bad. Woohoo. GWAV. Let's go. Let's go, Rochelle. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Took this while on stream. Yo, let's go, bro. Yayo, you're cleaning up, mate. You're doing very well. Yayo, I think, just joined like 2 days ago, and all I see from him is profits, profits, profits. Profit gang, profit gang. Swinging SLNA or Peggy. When you guys ask me or, I'm not going to tell you which one is better. I don't know which one is better. There's no better one. Right? Looking at the technicals, you can see if Peggy breaks above 0.1915, there's a high probability to go up. Trying to enter Peggy now is an extremely high risk trade. SLNA, I'm not interested in SLNA, but it is very bullish. You can see here that it is in a strong uptrend. And look, remember what I just mentioned. Whoever listened to me, when I literally mentioned this about 10 minutes ago, I said, now that it's above this level, there's a higher probability it'll go up. What did it do? It literally tapped that. No BS here. It's all technicals. No pump and dump. None of that shit. It is literally all in front of you. I literally called it. That is how easy it is when you understand technicals. Easy, right? So if anyone did get that SLNA, well done. I know some people on the Discord are in it. Yeah, Rochelle, that's very good. It's good to play those momentum play. It's just very difficult to, you know, what's going to happen the next day. GWAV, what a move. What a move, what a move, what a move. How much percent did that thing go up? It went up. Wow, 11%. Nice. Kraken. Guys, if no one got in Kraken, I don't know what to say, but I gave this to you guys early, and I said it during the stream. Congrats if you got in, because done what I expected. Kraken, we did it. Right? That's why when I post my charts on Twitter, guys, I expect the price to go up. Majority of them. If someone asks for a chart, then I will give the quote retweet and give my suggestion on it, right? But the thing is, whenever I post a chart, I expect it to go up. I'm not going to post a chart on my Twitter that I expect to go down and you guys buying it. I'm trying to teach you guys so you can get familiar and look at my charts, and you will notice once you keep seeing I do pretty much the same setups. And then from there, you'll be able to understand, right? Here, Cameron, that is a fantastic, fantastic question. The answer is, you can take profits when you're happy, but be realistic. Me, whenever I enter a trade, if I buy $1, $2, $3, $20, $500, whatever the price is, I will always sell when I am up 5%. If I buy 100 shares, okay, when I am up 5%, I will sell 50%. So that means I will sell 50 of my shares of the 100. And then if the price keeps going up, fantastic. I will scale out another 20 shares. I'll scale out another 30 shares whenever I'm happy. Up 7%, 9%, 20%, whatever it is. I do not buy a stock and hold it for 20, 30, 40%. It is unrealistic. If I knew that was going to happen every time, right, I would be an extremely, extremely wealthy person. But it's not easy like that. Trade realistic, bro. All you need to do is, if you can make 1% on your account a day, you can make 5% a week, and you can make 20% a month on your account. 20% a month on your account is unbelievable. Hedge funds, to give you, to tell you how much they're doing, I think they do around 7 to 12% a year on their accounts. Yes, they have millions of dollars, but percentage is percentage. Right, so all I do is when I trade in the Discord and give alerts, my targets used to be, I do around 3 to 5%. Sometimes I do 3% if there is a resistance in the way, but I've been using 5%. So if I buy whatever price I buy at, I will sell at least 50% at 5% when I'm up 5%. And then if it goes up to 10%, I still have some remaining. If it comes down, my stop loss is pushed up to my entry. So I break even on the rest of the 50%, right? So that is it. It is all about hitting. That's correct, Coastal. That's correct. That's correct. That's correct. All right, guys. I am going to head into Discord. We have had quite a few of you guys joining today, which is very good. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Fridays is very chilled, right? Here is the link. If you want to join there, if you click on the link now and there are spots, like if you click on it and it says there's the 3 month and 1 month, then there are spots left. If not, then obviously there's no spots left. Regardless, Fridays, all I do is, Hassi doesn't trade on Fridays, but he is in the live trading with myself. I live trade for an hour every day, more than an hour, but on Fridays I just trade for an hour because I have other commitments since it's Friday. But it's very simple. Live trading is exactly how it looks here, but we just give stop loss entries, let you know when we're in a stock, and so on. Very simple, great community, no pump and dump trash. We avoid everything. If we see people pumping a stock, no FOMO chasing, none of that stuff. So if you want to learn, feel free to join. Highly recommend it. If you want to become consistent and actually understand risk management rather than just taking alerts, so feel free. But yes, Fridays I will today as well, guys. For those on Twitter, we're growing crazy. I can't believe I've got like 800 followers in the last 2 days. With that being said, I'm going to be trading for an hour today, so I will share charts on Twitter as usual as much as I can and the best setups. I'm not going to be spamming charts because I only share setups I expect to go up. With that being said, I will be there for an hour, and then yeah, once I'm done for an hour, I'll let you guys know I'm done for the week, and then yeah, I'll retweet. If you guys want to, also guys, make sure you're sharing your profits to me. Like you can screenshot it or write I made $1,000 or whatever. I'll give you guys a nice retweet so you can get a call out. And then, yeah, just keep going because it's very motivational. People love it. And it's good to see a lot of positive energy in the FinTwit community. But thanks again, guys. A lot of great feedback from everyone. Loving the charts and stuff. So I appreciate all the support. Members, I'll send out the link now in like 15 minutes. I'll catch you guys then. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.